Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy Moonriver. Alright, Moonriver is a project of a smart contract platform and there is a lot of hype around it that it might blow up soon. So hey, I'm showing you how to buy it and you have to do your own research about the project. Check if it's anything that you want to get into, check all the content about it, pros and cons, and then make your own decision. After you make your own decision, again, get in with money that you're willing to lose. Okay, so now let's get started. Go to market. As we can see, there is a lot of platforms out there, so but on this channel I mainly use KuCoin, Binance, and Gate. All right, they are similar. If I used any of these, you can, if you have an account on any of other of these platforms, you can follow the steps, and because the platforms are similar on all the steps, from depositing and buying and getting to put in an order. Okay, super simple. On this video here I'm going to use Binance. Okay, but if you want to use KuCoin or Gate, you decide. All right, let's get started. If you don't have an account on Binance or the other platforms you are comfortable using, there are links in the description if you want to create one. And after you created your account, let's get started. Go to wallet and fiat and spot, go and click deposit, select coin. If you don't find it here, type in the name of the coin. Let's say it's ADA. Choose the network or the chain that you want to use. Just make sure to select the same network on the other platform that you're withdrawing from. Okay, so if you choose ADA network, choose the same network on the other platform that you're withdrawing from. Okay, so after you got your asset in your account, it might take some time to appear on your wallet and fiat spot. You'll find it in there. After it arrives, go to trade and go to classic. So as you can see, this is the same as all the other platforms. They are pretty similar. So now if you have deposited any other coin than USDT, just go to here and type in the name of it so you can sell it. All right, so let's say that we've deposited LTC, or let's say we've deposited ADA, right? And now choose USDT, so you sell that coin to USDT. All right, now here is where to sell. So go and scroll. If you want to sell just 50% of the amount of that coin you've got on your account, or 100% and the whole amount of that coin you've got on your account. Okay, and then click sell. All right, so after you sold and you got USDT, head back to here and type in the name of Moonriver, which is this, and now choose Moonriver to USDT. Okay, because we've got now USDT. So now scroll down and this is here where you get to buy Moonriver. Okay, so again, now with the amount that you've got of USDT, you can choose either 50%. I use 50% of the amount of you've got, or 100%. And this is the price of one Moonriver. Okay, but you can try to bargain by using this in here. So this is the current market price of Moonriver, but if you want to buy with a lower price, these here are orders by people that are trying to buy with a lower price than the current price, and these here are trying to sell with a higher price than the current price. Okay, everyone here is trying to get a better deal, okay, to buy with lower price or a higher price. In our case here, we want to buy. So the thing is, you need to select if you want to buy with a lower price than the current price. You need to put in one of these because it's closer to the current market price, and your order will go faster than the others. Okay, depending on the market, of course. So let's say that you want to put in this price or this price, just click on it and it will automatically get filled in here, and then again choose the amount you're willing to buy with, put in 100%, and you can see that Moonriver will change to the amount that you've put in here and the amount that you're willing to buy with. Okay, and then click buy. Okay, so but if you have put in a price that is here, down here, and the market goes higher, which means that the market didn't go below or down to that price you've put in, so your order will stay there. So you'll find it in here in history and cancel it and then put in a new price. This is just if you want to get in a better deal and save some few more cents. Okay, so this is it. Now after you've put in all of this, for example this and 100%, and just click buy, and your order will appear in here. And if it went through, you can find it in your account, which is wallet, and yeah, on spot you'll find that Moonriver is in your wallet. Okay, so this is it. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.